welcome to the first part of my wedding series. I'm so proud of all the videos and I'm super excited to be posting the first video from this series. So much effort has gone in making these videos. Hope you guys enjoy. Now talking about today's look, it is not too loud and not too subtle, making it perfect for engagement, roka or shagan ceremony. So without any further ado, let's begin. So I'm going to start off by applying the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer to add extra glow and to moisturize my skin more because it is the winter season. I will be using the Face Shop Mango Seed Oil Serum and pat it very gently all over my skin. It is perfect for the winter season. I'm telling you, it's super lightweight and it gives the right amount of hydration, and you can clearly see it instantly brightens up my skin. Next, for primer, I will be using the Lakme Absolute Blur Primer and I will be applying it around my nose area, chin and even on my forehead, and make sure to blend it out really well. I do get this question asked a lot, why primer is important. Well, primer acts as a barrier between your skin and all the makeup, as in your foundation, concealer that you will be applying on top. So basically it makes your makeup last long and it also protects your skin at the same time. Next, to add some extra glow, I will be using the Sugar Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer and I will be applying it on the highest points of my face. That would be on my cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose and also a little bit above my brow bone. Next, for foundation, I will be using the Sugar Cosmetics Rage for Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And to make the foundation extra glowy, I added a few drops of the Mango Seed Oil Serum that I used from the Face Shop. And to blend out the foundation, I used the Morphe Beauty Sponge. Always make sure to apply your foundation on your neck as well. For my brows, I will be using the Benefit Brow Pomade. Now, I personally don't like my brows to look very prominent. It is actually a personal preference क्योंकि अगर brows को बहुत ज़्यादा heavy fill कर दोगे, they look very fake and ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो I am someone जो prefer करता है natural looking brows, and the trick here is to make your brow tail a little dark and eyebrows का जो front portion होता है उसको बहुत lightly fill करो. एंड जैसे ही आप फिल करते रहते हो, मेक श्योर टू ब्रश द प्रोडक्ट विद अ स्पूली. इसके कारण आपके ब्राउज एकदम नेचुरल लगेंगे एंड इट इज़ अ ट्रिक दैट इज़ वर्थ trying. Now for concealer, I will be using my favorite LA Girl Pro Concealer, and because ये concealer बिल्कुल same है मेरे complexion के, it really helps me in getting rid of any dark circles or acne spots or blemishes that I have. एंड इस कंसीलर का कवरेज बढ़ाने के लिए आई विल बी यूजिंग द Maybelline Fit Me कंसीलर ऑन टॉप. नाउ ये दोनों कंसीलर बहुत डूइंग है एंड हाइड्रेटिंग, सो स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द विंटर सीजन जब स्किन बहुत ड्राई हो जाती है, ऑलवेज मेक श्योर टू ऑप्ट फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. मैं साथ ही साथ अपने फेस को ब्रॉन्ज कर लूँगी यूजिंग माई फेवरेट न्यूड स्टिक्स ब्रॉन्जर, एंड उसको मैं अप्लाई करूँगी अंडर माई चीक बोन, ऑन माई फोरहेड एंड ऑल्सो ऑन माई जॉ लाइन. To blend out the cream contour, I will be using the Cuffs and Lashes Concealer brush, and because इसका shape काफ़ी छोटा है and it is dense, इसके कारण you can do some really precise blending. That is the reason I love using this brush to blend out my contour or cream products. And to blend out my concealer, I used the same Morphe Beauty Sponge. To set the areas where I applied the concealer, I will be using the K Beauty Compact Powder. This is actually a very new product for me. मैंने इसको एक ही बार use किया and I absolutely loved the finish that it gave to my skin. बिल्कुल dry नहीं करता है skin को, which is again a perfect product for the winter season. I hate when makeup dries on this skin and एकदम flaky सा skin लगता है. I absolutely hate that look. So this is a compact powder that you can look at. So I will apply it under my eyes and also on my forehead. To bronze up my face and to add some warmth back, I will be using my favorite Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So to bronze up, I will be applying it under my cheekbone, on my forehead and also a little bit on my nose to just shape it a little. And next blush के लिए I will be using the e.l.f. Duo. इस duo के अंदर you get a beautiful peach blush with a beautiful highlighter and it is pretty affordable as well and travel friendly. How can we forget that? So this is a very good duo that you can look at, and I will be basically using a tapered dense brush from the Pack Jovita collection, and I will pack the blush on the highest points of my cheekbone and a little bit over my nose as well. I totally forgot to apply lip balm to prep my lips, so here I am just using a random lip balm. You can even use Vaseline, it works amazing. Next for highlighter, I'll be using the Nykaa Shimmer Brick Highlighter in the shade Good Old Gold, and I'll be taking this on a fluffy brush and apply it on the highest points of my cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin and also above my brow bone. For my eyeshadow today, I will be using the Huda Beauty Naughty Eyeshadow Palette. This is a beautiful versatile eyeshadow palette. If you are someone जिसको बहुत subtle से look बहुत पसंद है, then this palette is for you. Now because मेरा outfit बहुत pink है, I decided to do a pink eye look which is very subtle and easy to do. I started off by applying a light brown shade all over my crease, which acts as a transition color and helps other eyeshadows on top to blend seamlessly. Next, I took a mixture of these two dark shades together and इसको मैंने crease के हल्का सा नीचे लगाया है just to deepen it further and to define my eyes a little more. I used the same shades and applied it on the outer and inner corners of my eye to give a halo effect, and used a beautiful pink color and applied it only in the middle portion of my eye space. अब अगर आपका outfit blue है, आप blue shimmer use कर सकते हो, green है तो green shimmer. Because मेरा outfit pink है तो I used a pink shimmer shade. To define my eyes a little more, I used the NYX Professional Money Heist Liquid Pen Eyeliner. This is black. And trust me when I say it, this is black and matte and it is super easy to use. If you're looking for a good eyeliner, this is it. Before I apply my mascara, I'm going to quickly curl my lashes. And for my mascara today, I will be using the Natasha Moore mascara. It is expensive, but it is totally worth it. It definitely adds so much length and volume to your lashes, especially if you have lashes like me that look like tent and एकदम नीचे गिरी हुई हैं, then this is a beautiful mascara that you can look at. Next, I'll be applying very natural false lashes. I totally forgot the brand name, so make sure to check out the description box below. Next, for lip liner, I will be using this beautiful nude color from Nykaa. Again, the name shade will be given in the description box below. I nowadays like to overline my lips just a little, and the trick here is to overline just your lower lip, not your upper lip, because upper lip में overlining ज़्यादा जल्दी पता चलती है. So if you want to try overlining your lips, definitely try out this particular trick. And for the lipstick, I am using this beautiful nude pink color from K Beauty. The exact shade will be given in the description box below, but today I felt a little extra and I added this beautiful lip gloss from Bobbi Brown, which is so beautiful. I don't know why I never tried it. It is one of the best lip glosses I have ever tried, non-sticky, and they are super comfortable on the lips as well. And that's the finished look, everybody. Absolutely love the way it turned out. Let me know what do you guys think of this look, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Mwah.